So I was given this t-shirt. It says, licensed drug dealer. And before you ask, yes, I am licensed. Yes, I was a prescriber. And yes, that shirt used to be uncomfortably accurate. Because here's the truth most people don't realize. If you're a conventional medical provider in the United States, like a doctor, a nurse practitioner, a physician's assistant, you are literally licensed by the state to give prescription drugs. No offense taken, that part's factual. But here's where it stops being funny. I didn't get into healthcare to become a middleman for the pharmaceutical industry. I went into healthcare to help better people's lives. And at some point, I had to face something no one warned me about in my training. My patients, they weren't healing. They were collecting diagnoses and stacking prescriptions, and somehow getting sicker. It went something like this: high blood sugar? Here's a drug. Side effects? Here's another drug. Now your gut's wrecked. You're exhausted, anxious, inflamed, and gaining weight. Must be aging. Funny how aging looks a lot like polypharmacy. There was a moment, a real moment, when I realized I wasn't practicing healthcare. I was practicing medication management. So yeah, I metaphorically tore up my prescription pad. Not because drugs are evil, not because they're never appropriate, but because they were being used as substitutes for answers. So when someone gave me this shirt, I laughed because it reminds me of who I used to be allowed to be and who I refused to stay. Today, my license still exists, but my mission is different. I don't ask what drug matches this diagnosis. I ask, why is your hormone system crashing? Why is your metabolism resisting weight loss? Why is your heart, brain, or gut or immune system waving red flags? Because symptoms aren't the problem. They're the warning lights. And silencing the alarm doesn't put out the fire. So yes, I'm a licensed drug dealer who decided to stop dealing drugs as a lifestyle plan. And if that makes some people uncomfortable, good, because comfort is what kept a lot of patients stuck. Health requires honesty. If you've ever felt like you're doing everything right, but your body keeps betraying you, you're not broken. You're just being treated by a system that manages decline instead of restoring function. Stick around. We do things different here.